This is a lockman. Look at that keyway. It's pretty aggressive. I don't think it's a Mega Cross. It doesn't have the two sets of pins. It just has the one, but it's got very aggressive wording. That's the key for it. So, cover instruments 32 thousandths adaptive turner, multi-pick dimple flag. From 1, 2, 3. Maybe something at 4, something at 5. Something at 6 maybe. Okay, maybe something at 5 again. 3. Let's see. Okay, I just touched 3 and it went into a false set. 3. Now the thing with this is it's 2, 2, 1. Alright, 2, and then 1. That wording kind of makes it a little bit of a pain. And it's not too terrible even with it. See that little metal bar right there? It interacts with the key and goes through. So that runs all the way down the key. And you just have to take your pick and go in between each little piece and just lift the pins up. But that is the Lockman. I am not sure what model it is. If anybody can tell me, that would be cool.